Hey everybody, welcome to the newest episode of Odd Rob. Today I'm on the Savannah Riverboat Cruises. You can book this for dinner, you can book this just for sightseeing, a lot of options available. It goes during the day, it also goes at night. And the whole cruise itself is supposed to last about an hour and a half. Now I'm actually aboard the Georgia Queen, hasn't started out yet. What a wonderful, wonderful river. Savannah River, I believe. There's the awesome bridge I took or crossed over to get here. Let me find a seat. I'm up deck. There's 4 decks, I believe. I'm on the 4th deck up top. And as you can see, it's a sunny day, but they do have umbrellas for cover. Over on the side, you can get drinks and ices and alcohol and some food, I believe, over there in the snack bar. So we're gonna be getting underway pretty soon, I'm sure. So some of these buildings here were actually made from the ballast stone that the ships from England and Africa came over when they were empty. And then they leave them here and build buildings and streets with them. So we're going to be passing by Fort Jackson. They're going to be shooting a cannon as we pass by. Been meeting a lot of great people here and been talking to on the cruise. I'd like you to meet them.
Stay on!
Kind of a spot
Stay on.
Yeah!
Stay on.
Stay on!
Yeah! Here's the 3rd floor of the Georgia Queen. Wow, that was a lot of fun. A lot of history, a lot of experience, a lot of fun. If you've enjoyed this video, hey, go ahead and hit those like and subscribe buttons. While you're down there, I'd appreciate it to help the channel grow. Give us some comments, give us some feedback. It's always appreciated. And you know what? Until next time, stay safe, stay well, and by all means, stay odd. Oh yeah.